Hello everybody, this is Nintika and here is Eetu. Hello Derpla. And yeah. This is Eetu's video now. Yesterday Thank you. Yesterday Eetu flew to me. Yesterday Eetu flew to me. Yesterday Eetu flew to me. That was a Quaker parrot sound. Yesterday Eetu flew to me and I was just chilling in bed and he just landed here and I could immediately see that there was like something wrong. Kind of wasn't. It's very hard to describe. It's kind of like his breath was kind of heavy, but still he didn't seem like there was something dramatically wrong. He didn't seem to be in any pain. It just feels that he's becoming very old. Of course, I'm monitoring him. Any animal shouldn't be in pain. So that is why I just wanted to make a quick video with him, just in case. I don't know if this is going to be the last one that we do together. What else? I broke my camera. Yes, while I was doing the version video, unfortunately the camera stand fell and so did my camera. So that's goodbye my Sony camera, and yeah, so that's why there's a little bit less quality in the future videos. Well, at least before I can fix my camera. Hi Mimia. Hi. Here is Mimia, the very first baby that I ever kept, and she's Becky's daughter. Like Schnee, Mimia also has an amputated leg, and that was because her leg was broken. I think it was in 2009. Color is cinnamon pearl, and she wants to be scratched so bad. Everything else is good. I'm actually going to move soon. I'm going to have a new apartment. And about that moving, I have a dirty secret. So ever since I was a kid, I've been having problems getting rid of stuff that I don't actually even need. I have some old C-tapes and I have still a lot of my old toys. I have like several boxes of postcards. I have all my school notebooks. I find it extremely hard to, just throw them away. I get this like, I might need it. Sometimes it feels like it's about some kind of like an emotional... Hey! You are making it extremely hard to do this video, honey. Kind of like an emotional bond, and sometimes not. I thought maybe if I made a video about things that I'm going to get rid of, it might help. Let's have a check. Also remember to hit that subscribe button. And click for notifications. Because if you don't click for the notifications, then you're not going to get notifications for the videos. Yeah. Okay, so now I have a huge plastic bag. Let's use it. Here I have 2 boxes and they are full of nail polish. Swedish money. Dry, 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 empty, dry. Plenty of some flowers, more flowers, trash, 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 trash. This I kinda like. Glue, trash. Oh, this is all sticky. I think you can make like nails with these. There's so much of this glittery, but I've never used it. So what do I do with it? Or these tasteless cobra stickers. Trash is this? Why would I ever buy something like that? All these files. Why? Why? trash. This one I used once, never again. Broken. Broken. And this is full of shoes that I don't need. Like... quite many already. But there are still some sneaking shoes over there and we still need to get rid of those. I have my coats. What is this? Where do I keep it? Let's go this through. The first one to go to trash was this gorgeous, well, less practical jacket. It once looked awesome. Yeah, that is probably why I kept it. A funny thing, I have another one. It's just red. And just like with the black one, this one has also suffered. Oh yeah, except that I don't think it closes from my boobs anymore. This one I probably have to sell. So this closet is starting to look quite alright. Look at all these. Then there is my walk-in closet. I think I'm going to do this later. Wings, yeah, they're massive. Some traveling cages. My old school notebooks. I think this is like a... oh, this is my psychology. It was my psychology notebook. Magazines. Yeah, you can see that my birds have done their job. Aww. Oh, there's some bird poop. This is me and Nina. Oh, I look so young. Look at those eyebrows. It says that the birds made a nest to my heart and that I live with a flock of cockatiels. Sometimes doing videos with birds is extremely hard. I still love you. I still love you so much.